Hindi na debate.
What is prepared for Chinese medical treatment using
Di ba
long
yung debate na
needles?
yun, Marahan?
A. Acupuncture. B.
Tagalog na.
Panel. Answer.
Banana.
Kenneth. Okay.
Again, what is the term for a Chinese medical treatment using long needles? A. Acupuncture. B.
Ako pang.
Zone. C. English. 5 seconds, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Raise your answer.
Okay. So what is your answer?
The answer is letter A, Susan. Correct answer is letter A. Letter A, acupuncture. Sorry, letter A.
It's
Yung kaya.
letter A.
Hindi ako marunong mambara eh. Sinabusan na lang. Mimi. Yan.
Si Kenneth.
Player ako doon ha.
Si Kenneth.
First question. Sir Ryan.
Len, ikaw na lang. Kaya mo yan.
Write out the devil or evil spirit. It's called
Exorcist.
letter A, exorcism. Letter B, papers. Letter C, lefty. Agree?
A ceremony to drive out the devil or evil spirit is called A. Exorcism. B. Pathology. C. Rescue. Okay, 5 seconds. Go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Raise your answers. Okay.
Wow!
Nakamukha sila ng
Ito
sagot.
lang hinahin ba?
So, what is your answer?
Letter A, Tuna. Okay, so yung sagot, letter? Letter A, acupuncture, exorcism.
Okay. Okay, bye-bye.
Officer, punta kayo dito, officer.
First question, please, for Ryan.
So, capital ulit tayo. What is the capital of Cambodia?
A.
A, Phnom Penh. B, Thimphu. C, Yangon. Again,
Then what is the capital of Cambodia? A. Phnom Penh. B. Thimphu. And C. Yangon.
5 seconds, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, assaulted ang sagot. So, what is your answer?
Letter A.
Letter A. Sure na?
Tuna.
Answer ko is correct.
Correct answer is letter? Letter A, Phnom Penh.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hindi na nag-isip.
Proof question, please.
Okay, ito ang mahilap-hilap. On which sacred hill is the